Kasi may partner ka, kasi Echo, parang nakita talaga namin in the script yung events na nangyari. At super supportive ko, tsaka doon ko na inanaw siya.
Oh my gosh, actually that's funny kasi it wasn't really a hard launch. It wasn't an announcement. Everybody who went up para magbigay ng message, nagpakilala na kung bakit sila nandun. Like, si Diego kumanta, ako po si Diego, ako po yung apo ni Mamita. Or even si Sir Gary, like, I'm here because I work with Mamita. Like, everybody, of course, parang yun yung introduction mo sa isang event. So, nakakatawa na ang pick-up nila is nag-launch. Pero it was really just an introduction. Siyempre, hindi naman lahat ng tao doon nakilala na niya. Or even ako, like, I don't know everybody there. Sa dami ng mga malapit kila Mamita at Mama Gaya. So, parang polite lang na magpakilala. But,
kasi may partner ka, kasi Echo, parang nakita talaga namin in the script yung events na nangyari.
sobrang grateful ko sa support niya talaga. As in, sobra. Kami buong pamilya.